I already drew it on the paper, so let's get started. So we'll start off with the basic ones. I'll first line my eye. I'm using the V Beauty charcoal liner, deep brow gel liner. So we'll be going in first with our eyeshadow base. This is Benyon Clone White eyeshadow base. I'm using the Morphe eyeshadow palette. We'll be going into a brown shade. Yeah, this brown is nice. It's giving orange brown vibe. So I like it.
Please, as you're enjoying this content, please do like this video so that YouTube can push it out to other people that would love to see creative content. Thank you so much.
We are still going in with the brown shade so that it can be full and rich in the color. And I think I'll go in with a little orange so that it can bring out the color more. What? Really pigmented. So much love this Morphe eyeshadow palette. And see how just a little orange just to cover everything. We're going in with the brown again because it's brown we want to do. Blend. So for the eyebrow, it was lifted. So I think let me go in with this V Beauty brow gel. So we're going into the eye. I'm using a black eyeshadow. So sadly, we are going to scatter this my nose contour. So we took time to create. We'll be going in with that same brown.
Do you know that creativity enriches your life and expands your horizon? In order to continue seeing creative content like this, kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you.
Let's go with a little orange. So let's use this to make a bridge. So we'll be highlighting my under eye. I'll use eyeshadow to do this. Under eye. I want you to highlight here as well. Hope I'm beginning to look like a leopard. I'm beginning like my village leopard. I'm highlighting as much as I can because from the picture and the drawing, so it's really highlighted like yeah. I like. To go over with a dark color for here. So we're going to go over with this color for this part of my face. So I'm going to also go in with this color I use here and here for the bridge of my nose to my forehead. We're going to highlight with a lighter shadow. I can go for this beauty blender. It does a lot, like a lot. So we are done with the colorations. So for the lines, I'll be using this eyeliner palette, and I'll be using the black color with my setting spray to melt it here. Then I'll be using a brush to do the drum. A brush that has a pointed tip.
I'm pretty sure you love good things, because if you don't love good things, YouTube wouldn't have brought this video to your FYP. So to continue seeing good things like this, please subscribe to this channel so we'll continue being on your For You feed. Thank you.
I'm tearing up. I'm looking from my book, my drawer. I'm using a concealer. I'm using my beauty sponge. Eyeliner palette. This is given. It's given. Thank you for staying to this point. I really appreciate. So I will paint my neck as well. I'll paint my neck and I'll be back. So see you when I'm back. Thank you.